year's budget, we have removed taxes on these packaging materials.
Yeah, we are aware and we appreciate that. Yeah. We appreciate
We are
for
also
that.
aware that we have removed VAT on tea.
Yes.
Yes, we have removed VAT on tea so that it becomes a lot more cheaper and we can derive more profit for the farmers.
Yeah.
So we are doing two things in this year's budget to support the farmers. To remove VAT on tea and all these packaging material we have also removed taxes. You just have to guarantee me that because of what you have done, we can do more export. Actually, the region and globally.
Actually, what we request from you, Your Excellency, this tea bag has been packed at Ketepa in Kericho.
Yes.
So we have incurred more costs on transportation and delivering back. So what we request, because through collaboration with the county government, Our Excellency has promised us through the coming
industrial park.
Yes. She will give us a space where we will have a center for validation. And we want to take that advantage to
that is primarily the reason why we are doing the aggregation and industrial park. To give you a place where you can do value addition. That is essentially the purpose of what we are doing. And it will be here in Embu.
We have one prayer. That since the machine for packing this normally comes like a robot, it costs 100 million. If your government can chip in, after we have been given this space by Our Excellency, our government can support us.
We will not be given the space by we are building it together.
It's a joint venture. It's a partnership.
I'm praying that you will give us.
We will work on common user.
Anasema ndiye anafanya. From what you say,
very clear to them.
This is a partnership with the county, and she told us you are giving her 250 million. She's contributing 250 million. That one is very okay. So now the only challenge is the machine.
Don't worry.
Having this.
Don't worry about
and
the
we will
machine.
do this for Mount Kenya region.
And what we can do, we are going to do it in every county. And what we are going to do, we are not going to provide the machine for one factory. We will make sure that it's a common user. And the three factories can share.
Exactly.
You know, and we can help you together with the county to make sure that you get the machine. Now,
Lift hammer.
yes.
So each of these
Patia moja na patia moja. Nimpatie moja na patia moja.
because
I am on board. Anything that has more money to the pocket of farmers is welcome. Okay. Asante sana. Okay.
All the factories that are here. We have orthodox from Tanganyika. We have one for Kadangarire, one for Mungania, and the other one for Utorire.
Your Excellency, we just want one for Deputy President.
He's the chairman of the parliament.
mimi nasukuma hii maneno yangu bwana.
Yes, he's a...
We appreciate so much.